It's Blair and his, it's a Cub? Cessna. His Cessna. She's a pretty beauty.
The last time we flew this plane, it didn't end very well.
Lord did that.
I just gotta put that on the record. So this time if we fly this plane and it don't end well, I don't know if it's gonna ever fly again.
Uh-oh. Hey, plane, you better fly well.
Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that.
Don't hit the pole. Knees up.
Oh, yeah.
How she feel? Look like she want to go up and left. I mean, y'all need $50 for that one, Blair. How she feel, Blair? I'm still trimming. Okay. Yeah, we took it up probably about 2 or 3 weeks ago. We crashed and didn't get off the ground. We stalled it up and crashed. It's real nice. Like, you want to go? Yep. Maybe that can help. You got some birds. Yeah. All right. I don't like it.
Yeah, because he can't do no twist, no turn. Basically, this is all he's got. I go in a circle. I go in a circle. I go in a circle.
It's a Cessna. I don't like it.
He's like, oh, nope. You won't do no inverts. Can't do no tricks. It could probably be a good plane to put a camera on, though.
Yeah.
Watch the tree.
Maybe.
Touch and go.
Not bad. I like it. I don't.
So, what do you think about it, Blair?
We're coming in with the Flyright boys.
I would have to say this plane does not suit my flying style at all. I'm either gonna keep it and heavily modify it or sell it. I haven't decided yet.
Yeah.
There you go.
Hey, little
Now
man,
we're talking.
what do you think about the plane? Did you like it? Do you approve? Thumbs up? Yeah? All right, that's a little junior Flyright boy right there. And ladies and gentlemen, that will be cut. Don't forget to tune in. And if you like our videos, please hit the subscribe button so that way we can keep on having a good time flying. All right, Flyright boy Kevin, ready out.